Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add the frame to your picture on the FaceApp application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then tap on the gallery button and select a picture that you want to edit. Slide to the right side of the screen and click on the frames button. Here you can see that you have a vast variety of frames that you can choose from. So just simply slide to the right side of the screen and select the relevant one that you want to apply. Here you can see how it looks like. You can adjust it by the help of the slide in the middle of the screen. You can also select the color of the frame. You have many colors that you can choose from. And after finding the right one, click on the apply button down below and then you will be able to save your picture. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.